Hello everyone. Today's video is about 50 biggest nuclear power plants across the globe. So hit the subscribe button to continue. Hinkley Point powers Britain using 1,750 megawatts nuclear electricity generation capacity efficiently worldwide. Krško station supplies Slovenia through 1,800 megawatts atomic energy production infrastructure reliably today. Laguna Verde operates Mexico's 1,850 megawatts facility supporting national electricity distribution networks consistently. Karachi complex generates Pakistan's 1,900 megawatts nuclear output for growing urban industrial demand. Tarapur station delivers India around 1,950 megawatts electricity from advanced atomic reactor operations. Kudankulam facility contributes 2,000 megawatts toward India's expanding nuclear-powered energy production capabilities nationwide. Bushehr reactor provides Iran approximately 2,050 megawatts, supporting domestic power infrastructure requirements efficiently. Darlington Station generates Canada nearly 2,100 megawatts through large-scale uranium-based reactor technology operations. Pickering Complex maintains Canada's 2,150 megawatts nuclear electricity production supporting provincial energy systems. Flamanville plant produces France approximately 2,200 megawatts through modernized atomic reactor engineering technologies. Civaux Station contributes 2,250 megawatts helping France strengthen sustainable nuclear-powered electricity generation networks. Tricastin Center supplies France using 2,300 megawatts advanced atomic energy infrastructure across regional grids. Besneau facility generates Switzerland around 2,350 megawatts supporting consistent national electricity supply operations. Forsmark Station produces Sweden nearly 2,400 megawatts through reliable uranium-fueled reactor systems continuously. Olkiluoto complex powers Finland utilizing 2,450 megawatts nuclear capacity supporting industrial electricity consumption nationwide. Ringhouse facility delivers Sweden approximately 2,500 megawatts through efficient atomic reactor energy production systems. Heysham Station contributes Britain nearly 2,550 megawatts supporting dependable nationwide electricity generation infrastructure efficiently. Sizewell plant maintains Britain's 2,600 megawatts nuclear output through advanced reactor operational technologies today. Borsel Station supplies Netherlands using 2,650 megawatts atomic electricity generation supporting domestic energy requirements. Temelin facility generates Czech Republic approximately 2,700 megawatts through modern nuclear reactor engineering infrastructure. Baraka plant powers UAE using 2,800 megawatts advanced atomic electricity generation systems successfully nationwide. Ingra Station delivers Brazil around 2,850 megawatts supporting regional nuclear-powered electricity distribution networks efficiently. Coburg facility generates South Africa nearly 2,900 megawatts through reliable atomic energy production infrastructure. Imbal Station contributes Argentina approximately 2,950 megawatts supporting long-term national electricity generation capabilities consistently. Cernavodă complex powers Romania using 3,000 megawatts nuclear infrastructure across multiple operational reactor systems. Zaporizhzhia extension supports Ukraine through 3,100 megawatts advanced atomic electricity generation technologies efficiently nationwide. Kursk Station delivers Russia approximately 3,200 megawatts supporting national nuclear-powered electricity infrastructure reliably today. Kalinin facility generates Russia nearly 3,300 megawatts through efficient uranium-fueled reactor operational systems continuously. Balakovo complex powers Russia utilizing 3,400 megawatts. Leningrad Station contributes Russia around 3,500 megawatts through advanced nuclear reactor engineering infrastructure operations. Rostov facility produces Russia approximately 3,600 megawatts supporting regional atomic-powered electricity distribution networks consistently. Yongbyon complex powers North Korea using 3,700 megawatts nuclear infrastructure supporting domestic energy requirements. Diablo Canyon supplies America through 3,800 megawatts advanced reactor electricity generation systems efficiently nationwide. Dukovany Station delivers Czech Republic nearly 3,900 megawatts through uranium-powered reactor operational technologies reliably today. Qinshan facility generates China around 4,000 megawatts, supporting expanding atomic electricity infrastructure development nationwide. Yangwang Complex powers South Korea utilizing 4,100 megawatts, supporting national industrial electricity generation capabilities efficiently. Palo Verde Station contributes America approximately 4,200 megawatts through large-scale nuclear reactor engineering technologies. OHI facility generates Japan nearly 4,494 megawatts, supporting reliable atomic-powered electricity distribution infrastructure nationwide. Yangjiang Station delivers China approximately 4,500 megawatts through efficient nuclear energy production technologies consistently. Taishan Complex powers China utilizing 4,590 megawatts advanced atomic electricity generation infrastructure successfully nationwide. Tianwan facility generates China around 4,600 megawatts supporting long-term nuclear-powered industrial energy requirements efficiently. Fukushima Daiichi produced Japan approximately 4,696 megawatts before devastating earthquake-triggered nuclear disaster occurred. Cattenom Station contributes France nearly 5,200 megawatts through advanced uranium-fueled reactor operational systems continuously. Paluel facility powers France utilizing 5,320 megawatts supporting nationwide atomic electricity generation infrastructure efficiently. Zaporizhzhia Complex generates Ukraine nearly 5,900 megawatts through large-scale nuclear reactor operational technologies efficiently. Bruce Station supplies Canada utilizing 6,550 megawatts, supporting massive atomic-powered electricity generation capabilities nationwide. Kashiwazaki-Kariwa remains Japan's largest facility, producing 7,965 megawatts nuclear electricity output globally. Thanks for watching till end.